Hey guys, Asaf from Motolixious here, and the time is 1 o'clock AM, and I'll explain just after the intro. Go! Right, great that you came back, and the reason that I'm awake at this time is because I'm about to go on a ride. It's New Year's Eve here in Israel, the Jewish New Year's Eve, and we have a tradition that's been going on for 15 years now, that after the family dinner, thousands of motorcyclists go down south to the Mount of Masada in the desert in the south of Israel to see the first sunrise of the new year. It started as not a tradition, just a few friends, a few buddies decided to go on a trip after the dinner, and the year after, one of them got killed. They decided to, in memory of him, replicate it the year after, and a few others joined, and same happened the year after, and it became kind of a tradition. And in past 2 or 3 years, it's been 5,000 to 6,000 people all riding down south to see the New Year's sunrise. This ride wasn't an organized thing, it was just something that happened. This is the magic of this ride to Masada. So I'm gonna pack all my gear, head out, and we'll see how it goes. Right, so moment of truth. No going back now, even though I'm outside my home. All geared up, my friend is waiting for me, and decided not to take this one, but the sensible option, the Moto Guzzi V7. I hope I'm not going to regret it because it's not that comfortable as it looks. We'll see. It's about 2 o'clock now. Everyone left the gathering point at 1:30, so we're about 45 minutes late to the party, but I think we will manage. Let's go. Neighbor is not going to like this now, for sure. Mistakes. First, mesh jacket, t-shirt, just very thin base layer underneath, and jeans. Freaking cold. Second thing, taking that Moto Guzzi V7. Man, is that uncomfortable as hell. And he's riding the most comfortable bike ever. The third one was just leaving home. It's late, it's cold, it's uncomfortable, and we have a long ride ahead of us. So I'm gonna have some coffee and keep on doing it. See you on the other side. This night, everybody's sexy. Right, so we made it. Kind of forgot my LED panel at home, so using this little cell phone light. Ride was super cool. We rode Sdomarad. Sdomarad is our Israeli kind of Nürburgring. It's cult road. It's about 20 something kilometers, 100 and something turns. It's amazing, and doing it at night was simply awesome. Do you agree? Nice colors, not a lot of haze, not a lot of clouds. I think we're in for a cool sunrise. Right, so it's almost 10 past 6. Sun is starting to rise. There's light. People are smiling, drinking their coffees. This is how a new year should start. The great motorcycle ride, great sunrise, and great atmosphere. We're waiting. here it is. We've been waiting for it for a full year. Doesn't get any better than this. Going home. We're gonna have one last cup of coffee for the road and we'll hit it as well. It was great ride, and now the ride home is even better than it was last night because awesome roads and you can see where you're going, so that's gonna be fun. See you at home. Time to go home. It was great. Actually, it was the best of all the times that I went here. This year was most definitely the best. Did I mention that the road home is the best part of this ride? Look at it! It's just amazing! The views! The Dead Sea, the open road, trusted Guzzi. And with that, I'm gonna leave you and ask you to, hey, like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends, family, co-workers, riding buddies, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook, Motolixious Facebook page, and that's it. See you next year. Bye bye guys. Ciao.